Hello friends, welcome back in my channel. I hope you are fine. Today our topic is how to check the status of GSTIN, whether it is active or inactive. GSTIN means Goods and Service Tax Identification Number. What is the necessity to check the status of GSTIN? Suppose a party supplied the goods or service. This is party supplied the goods or service to us and mentioned the GSTIN on the invoice. GSTIN and charged GST with taxable value plus GST in the invoice and charge the GST, and we have to pay the GST to the party. We have to pay the GST amount to the party. Here our party charge the GST from us, means party is charging the GST from us and will deposit it to the government. Deposit it to the government, and we will take the input credit. We will take the input credit of GST. In this case, there are two situations. In this case, there are two situations. First is party deposit GST and filed all the GST return. File GST return and deposit GST timely. In this situation, we can get the credit. In this situation, we can get take the credit or input of GST. But in this situation, yeah, second situation, what is second situation? The party has not deposited the GST. Party the GST amount, and this is government. So party not deposit the GST and not filed the GST return timely. Not filed the GST return timely. In this case, we cannot take the credit or input of GST. In this scenario, GST department turn the GSTIN number of party from active to inactive. Active to inactive. And we can check the status and party become defaulter. So we can check the status whether a particular GSTIN is active or not. In this case, we can check of a party at GSTN portal. There are two methods of this. If we have only PAN number, and in second situation we have only GSTIN number. In first case, we can copy the PAN number and paste it in search taxpayer option, in search by PAN option. We can paste it and enter the captcha. 334300. Now we can check the detail of the all the GSTIN registered on this PAN. We can check the detail of all GSTIN in this situation. This PAN is registered in Delhi, Haryana, Delhi, Maharashtra in different GSTIN number. We can click this. Now we can get the PAN number. Sorry, we can get the GSTIN number and enter the CAPTCHA. And search. Now we can check the status. This is the status. This is the status of GSTIN. This is active status. And additionally, we can check the all the information of GSTIN. You can see here, and also filing table also. In filing table, we can check all the GSTR 3B, GSTR 1 and GSTR 9 or 9C filed status. Finally, we have checked the status of a GSTIN number of party. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe the channel. Bye bye.